If you're constantly copying and pasting hex codes or phone numbers or email addresses or website URLs, you should stop because there's an easier way. Especially if you have an iPhone or a Mac, you can set up text replacement shortcuts where you type a couple of characters that you wouldn't normally type and it'll automatically expand into the hex code or the number or the thing that you need. Let me show you. So this is our style guide created by AP Photo Aaron Pulse. And the colors here are the colors that we like to use on the website or anytime that we're setting up a new social media account, maybe slides in Google Slides, maybe another document template. So to get these codes, rather than having to remember because they're pretty wacky, we copied these. So go into my system settings, keyboard, text replacements, and for example, this blue 6791CB. So this blue, what you want to do is replace the text at blue with the hex code. And make sure you get it the right way around. So you want to make sure that the thing that you type is at the top and the thing you want to appear is at the bottom. And now it appears alongside all our other brand hex codes. So now if I'm in a text document or I'm typing at any other place on my computer and I say @blue and then space, it automatically changes it to the expanded version. Naturally, we have a blog post on the topic, which summarizes how you can use this. But a couple of pro tips: if you set up the shortcuts on a Mac or on your iPhone and you're logged into the same Apple ID on other devices, providing you've got iCloud turned on, it'll sync those shortcuts across other devices. So once you've added them on your phone, for example, they should be available from your Mac and vice versa. Another neat trick if you're copying and pasting, so say your style guide is a PDF on the computer and you're trying to copy those codes onto your phone, if you are logged into the same Apple ID on both devices, you can hit Command C from the laptop and then Command V on your phone and it'll paste from the magic of the Apple ID connection. So you do have to be logged into the same Apple ID, but that makes that step a little bit easier than like manually plugging in the numbers and maybe getting it wrong. So yeah, it's super handy. So brand hex code color codes is one of the big ones. Just make sure you don't use a shortcut that you're going to inadvertently type. So that's where the @ symbol comes in handy because you're unlikely to type @pink in any other context and accidentally turn it into this hex code while you're typing. But some other ones that you might want to use are www for your website address, or I use j@ to spell out my whole email address, which I use when I'm filling out forms and all kinds of things. There are also phone numbers and social media handles and other things that you may already know what they are and don't need to remember them, but they're just annoying to type. So things like that can be really good candidates for text replacement. Go crazy. What do you use it for? I'd love to know. And if you like tips like this, subscribe and there'll be plenty more to come. Thanks so much. Bye.